What's up, my riders? Not too late, not too soon, just right on time. At another car event, you see Cherry in the background looking glorious. That car back there actually is gonna be done soon, man. We had a car event out here in Mundelein, Illinois. You know I'm back at it again. Let's go right into it. I'm a busy man. I got this, that, and the third always to go on. What up, my riders? Hope your week was going good. I hope your day was going good. If not, try to make it better, man. TOT right here. Check out the socks. Got the Iron Man's on today. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. We got a lot of stuff rolling in already. So they coming in now. You see them over there coming in right now. Yeah, so we out here in Mundelein, Illinois. Oh, man, it's beautiful out. Actually, they just coming in now, so we gonna go ahead, stand over here, baby. Copyright, they coming here slamming. This shit old as fuck. I got my own music. We gonna probably put that music on a little bit, copyright. Got the Low Riders, Positive Force. I think I seen him before at one of my other events. Oh, 04 right there. You seen them join the hot ride. Old school Blazer, he dropped it. Positive Force. So they got their car club here. Positive Force. I think I seen them last time, a couple of cars back. It's a Marauder, bro. See that? It's a Marauder, y'all. It's nice. Valley. Beautiful paint on here. 64 Chevy Chevelle, y'all. Got the red and black guts. Yeah, that C8 over there. You like that C8? It's the one you was talking about, that C8. You thought it was a Rari? Rari helped Corvette out with this design. A lot of people don't know that. They went to Rari for this to help them out with this new design. You can tell. This is Rari inspired. That's Rari inspired. You know what I'm saying? And then this line right here is Rari. That's Rari inspired too. The C8.
Yeah, you bet.
It's a nice spec. V8's nice. They come like 485 horses already. There's a lot of cars to look at, man. We can go around, probably come around here and stuff. It's SS right there, that's nice too. So some guys, and see the ones with the platinum, these are guys who won trophies before. Mustang. Oh, this one's nice though. This one right here is dope, bro. Man, I like the paint job too. Ford Mustang, drop top. This is dope. Motherfucker dope, bro. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this Mustang, bro. It's beautiful, bro. Got dual pipes on this motherfucker. This motherfucker nice, man. This is a nice car, bro. I like the lines and stuff. The paint is beautiful. You look good with that too, Trish. Standing next to, I might have to get a thumbnail with you in it. Show the world. I know I ain't gonna do that, baby. I ain't gonna do that. Old school, babe. Fleming. Yeah. Throwback. It's a Grand National. Oh yeah. You want to check out the 392, the Scat Pack, the Scatty. You got some massive brakes. Look at the brakes on them. He did the traditional. Yeah, he did the honeycomb wrap right there. Y'all can see right there, he did the honeycomb wrap. Got the lower splitter in the front. It's a nice setup. Look fast too. Like he did some other things to it. So he went with the honeycomb thing. Yeah. It's creative. Okay, this is all his platforms he's fucking with. Mopar. That's why I wanted to come over here initially too. Man, look at this, man. Now, if y'all help me out, I don't know what I'm looking at, but yo, this is crazy. Look at the turbo on this thing. That's the turbo. That's the turbo. This is the intake. This thing is crazy. I like it. I fucking like it. Motherfucker's nice, bro. Shit is nice. Clean too. That's his interior too. Shit's nice. It's a nice build, bro. I knew it. There you go. National. Oh, check out his wheels too. Nice wheels. Just a nice car, bro. Nice car. You look so pretty, like a little butterfly. Little pretty butterfly flying around. Got the old school trucks and stuff. That's a interesting blue. Another like them, like the foreign trucks right there. I'm like foreign pickup trucks. And we got them. My man, this car club. They got the drop tops out. Man, dude. Oh my God, I'm so upset about that because they was bringing the best of the best out. Yeah. And I like this one too, but it's just the platform was so huge and it was gonna get better. You see what I'm saying?
They gonna try to find another place to have it.
Man, he took a. That's why I love what I do, bro. You see stuff like this, bro. He made a race car station wagon. Now I remember these, y'all. Y'all too young probably remember these. Everybody had one of these in the 80s. WRX. SS. Got the snorkels on the hood. 66. Surveyor SI. Super Sport. Murdered out. Black on black. Bet on black, you gonna win. You ain't know that? Hell yeah, it look good though. It's real nice. Trans Am. Oh man, this is a gold mine too. There's a lot of nice builds out here, bro. It's nice, man. Now, this is a nice build, bro. You don't even see this thing out here no more. Man, this build is so nice, man. Like, you can see the pinstripes and stuff. Wow, guys, this is really nice. This interior and stuff. This is crazy, man. He even did the bird on the front. 6.6 liter. We put the traditional bird on the front. And he did it right, man. That's a nice car. As I said, this is nice too. Yeah, this is real nice, bro. Got his top. Chevelle. Duties and stuff. SS, nice. GTO. You know what I'm saying? GTO and shit. I always thought I like these. They just so gangster with the suicide doors on them. This is just the 37 Ford Coupe. This mug is slick. It's gangster. Don't you like that? I might buy one day. There's no ceiling to what we're gonna be doing. That's a nice Mustang, man. I might check that out. Mustang boys is out. You can tell he just put the tire shine on there. So this is our R1 Mustang. This is a Carl seats. Stick. It's nice. Good shit. How much horses you putting out?
It's stock, 480.
Oh, just dead stock. You just keeping the stock right now?
Yeah.
You're not gonna tune it yet?
Nope, no tune, stop.
Are you?
Yeah, eventually.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a must.
Suspension right now.
Doing a suspension?
Yeah.
What you going with?
So everything's BMR underneath it right now.
Yeah.
Links, vertical links, the frame connectors, all that stuff.
Oh, you going all out, doing everything.
Yeah.
So you going track?
No. Well, not the strip, but the track. Yeah.
Track, yeah. That's what I said. It sounds like you're going a track setup.
Yeah, track. So
I'm more of a street guy, but I was asking because I was like, I don't know sometimes if you're a track or
these things are
street.
meant for the track, man. They're not really meant for the.
That's what he's talking about.
Slowly getting her set up, so I got to replace this drive shaft here soon.
That's a good looking Beetle.
Yeah, that is.
Okay. Drive shaft, you going with the what?
Carbon fiber.
I'm about to say the carbon fiber.
Yeah. The QA1 half shafts. I got the Ford half shafts. I still got to replace those, and the RRS brace too. So there's a lot of work still I got to do to it.
Nice build, bro. Nice talking to you, bro. Come on, babe. Let's go walk. Got a Holden over here. Dude just pulled up. I like this, too. These are rare. Y'all don't know what a Holden is. They from Australia. Australia. We're not just talking about Australia. This is an Australian muscle car. That's all it is. It's a nice one, too. I like his spec. This one is sick. I haven't seen him before. I have seen a few out here in the county, but I haven't seen this cat before. This is nice. Carbon fiber on the cap. Yeah, this is nice. You got the carbon fiber on it. He did it right. Oh, that's my man right there. I guess that's him right there. Y'all can screenshot it. It's fast too, babe. You got some nice, lot of muscle out here, man. A lot of SS's, a lot of 6 this and 5 that and 6 this. Don't get me started now. And fuego. Firebird right there. Old school from the 80s and stuff. I don't know, I forgot that's an English car. I think that's the, what's the name? Y'all leave a comment down below. I can't remember. My uncle had 2 of those. See, more muscle. Whew. Vet Gang, GTO. Now that Holden, the same people that mess with Holden mess with this GTO too. Be running K&N. These cars are hard to find. He just pulled up too. I can feel the heat from his engine. He just pulled up. Shining his wheels up. SS. You like the show? Man, I'm telling you that they messed that up, didn't they? They messed it up, man, because it was only going to get better. It was going to grow and get bigger and bigger, man. It was going to get bigger. SS, like SS is showing their ass out. GTOs showing their ass out. This is beautiful, though. I want y'all to look at this. Look at this. Y'all can't tell me. Y'all can't tell me that paint is so gorgeous, man. It's a baby blue. I believe this paint is Ford quality, but this is a pretty blue. Ain't nothing perfect, but man, this is beautiful. Mint green is pretty too. Another SS over there. I've seen him before, Maserati. Uh-oh. $41, huh? And look at that engine in there. You got the eyes in there too. Mopar in the house. Mustang gang. Big Mustang showed up. All right, guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. Check me out on all platforms, going live soon. It's TOT. The build is going good too, by the way. We almost done with Cherry. Saved on my pen and Marrow coming soon. Stay tuned for how that's gonna go. I'm about to get ready to allocate one so soon, so I'll stay tuned for that live and I'll be talking more about it. What else? Well, I'm gonna wrap this on up. I got so much stuff to do. Just a nice lineup, man. We got GTOs, Grand Nationals, vets out, shining their wheels out. It's a nice lineup, man. Got hot rods. Yeah, man. But like I say, I'm gonna talk to y'all soon. Y'all stay sucker free. Hasta pronto, man.